Well. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I appreciate you guys for tuning into another video. I don't really know how to start this video. I don't know. I feel weird just starting this vlog. Welcome back to another video. I appreciate you guys for coming back to another video. And I appreciate the love you guys showed on the last video, for real. I really appreciate it. If you guys seen my Instagram post, you saw that I explained what happened. If you didn't see it, I'll get more into depth in it in a little bit. But we're gonna go to the body shop to actually go see the Supra. And when we go see the Supra, I'll break it down of what happened and all that. Yeah, man, we're gonna go look at it right now and see how it looks. I don't think they've touched it. I think it's just been sitting there for the past week. It's only been there for a week. It's been a week. But yeah, we're gonna go see what's up and get some info. You know, both of us. We're both gonna get info. Whatever I get right there, I'm gonna let you guys know what's gonna happen. And yeah, so we're just gonna get with it, and we're gonna take the M340 out with us. But yeah, guys, like I said, I appreciate the love that you guys showed in the last video, for real. It's very appreciative of the support you guys give me and all that, and it just never goes unnoticed, and I like, from the bottom of my heart, really appreciate it. Like, no cap. But scratches kind of healed up, the scabs kind of came off, and not to even mention, bro, it just hasn't been really my week or month, if I'm being honest. Like, today, bro, cut the shit out of my finger, like so bad. Like, yeah, it's a small band-aid, but bro, the cut was bad. My coworker started getting scared. She's like, oh my god. And I was just like, we just gotta get some napkins and clean this shit up, bro. But really hasn't been my week, man. But we just gotta keep it moving, man. Stay positive and not really stress it so much. And I've been having a very stressful week, couple weeks, and it's very unfortunate situations, but I can't dwell on them. I just gotta move on from them, keep moving, keep grinding, and just keep the hustle moving. Keep the hustle moving. If you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and stay up to date. And yeah, stay up to date with the Supra and see what happens. So I just arrived, but I don't know where the car's at. It was parked outside, but it's not here. I don't even know where it's at. I found her. Damn, bro, it sucks seeing her like this, bro. Fuck. Like, damn, bro. The whole bracket needs to be replaced. The bumper, tail light, trunk, everything, bro. Especially this shit. God damn. This shit dummy fucked up. Then the front end too. Ah. Hey, yo, why's my gas tank open? Someone taking my gas? Dude, even the wing flew off. Fuck, bro. Everything's just all fucked up. This shit sucks. Oh, damn. Look at my shit, man. Damn. This is like the first time I'm really looking it up. Like, looking at it. This shit hurts my heart. At least these parts are still good. Like these pieces and these pieces right here, they're still good. We could use them. At least the left headlight's good. Damn. So this got dented. The radiator cover. Hopefully the radiator didn't get hit or anything. I hope not. The bar did its job, man. Didn't really do much. Just shattered the light. Yeah. Radiator looks fine. The heat I think this is the coolant. Yeah, this one's broken. This shit is bent. The hoses and everything look pretty fine. I don't know about the bottom ones though. Bro. At least the engine's fine. At least it's fine. Nothing's broken. Nothing happened to that. So at least that's fine. The hood does have a little bit of damage right here. A little dent, scratch and shit. But they said they could fix that. so not too bad. But yeah, man, I'm sure you guys are wondering what happened. And long story short, like I said on my Instagram, I made a post. Dude, it's so hard to say it too because I'm so embarrassed to say it, but long story short, I fell asleep behind the wheel and I tried to save the car, but it was too late and it spun me out and caused me to do 2 spins and 360s and hit 2 other cars that were parked, which is very unfortunate and it sucks, bro. Like, that shit sucks. It was scary as hell because I've been in accidents, but I've never like had an accident like this where like it spun me out and, you know, I hit the brake so hard, but it felt like butter. Like I started sliding everywhere and I just felt like there was no way I'm gonna stop. Yeah, man, even the airbags popped inside. Only the side ones here, not the steering wheel one. But I did talk to the guy at the shop. He said it is fixable, but it's just gonna cost a lot. Like, that's the thing, you know? And that's exactly what I'm gonna do, man. Is save this car, because I can't let it go out like this. I don't know, man. I just can't. Like, it's just body damage. Like, thankfully, I don't know. Hopefully the wheel's not messed up or anything like that. I'm just hoping that's not broken. Because if it is, we'll be fucked. Or I'll be fucked. But yeah, man. Like I was saying, like, this shit was a scary crash for me. Like, bro, as soon as I got out the car, I was like shaking crazy because I just seen my arm and like, I think the cut happened due to the airbag exploding, like the one on top right there, like the pillar one. I think it just like popped in the pressure, just kind of cut me open. It's a good thing I'm like ordering a couple pieces in, and shout out to one of the homies who's actually hooking me up with the front bumper. So shout out to him. And then I might be picking up a rear trunk pretty soon. So shout out to him too for hooking that up too, or helping me get one. But yeah, and I'm also gonna probably buy a tail light pretty soon too. And if any of you guys know who's selling tail lights or any of these pieces, like a rear bumper, diffuser, or, you know, even the left headlight that you guys might know someone, hit me up, send them my way, you know. Just gonna try to bring this car back to life as much as I can. Exhaust, as you guys can see right now, the exhaust is pushed in, like it got pushed inside. Like, as you guys can see this side, yeah, it got pushed in. So we're gonna get rid of that exhaust and buy my exhaust that I wanted, like I told you guys. I'm just really hoping nothing's wrong with this wheel, you know. Hopefully everything's fine. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully it's fine. Hopefully nothing's wrong with it. Hopefully I'm just tripping. But I don't know. Does it look crooked to you guys? Does it look bent? Like, this wheel's fine, you know? But I don't know if this one is. I just really hope it is. It looks like it's slanted out, but I don't want to say that either, man. I don't know. I just want to, maybe because it's pushed in and shit, like, I don't fucking know, man. I just really hope it's not. So I left. I had to leave because my car was in the way of where they were parking and everything like that, so I had to dip. But yeah, man, that's basically the current situation, and it's all coming out of my pocket. I was at the shop talking to him, you know, like if I could get like an estimate total of everything of how much it might cost me to rebuild the car and everything. But he first was telling me like any little pieces that I can get and it'd be cheaper, like cool, I'll get them, but I gotta run them by him first just in case he can get them cheaper or anything like that. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. So yeah, I've got a bumper, a front bumper, a trunk. I'm gonna try to get a tail light, which I'm pretty sure I can get. I hope. But I'm pretty sure, as you guys, just by looking at it, I'm pretty sure even you guys know this is gonna be an expensive ass rebuild, especially with that quarter panel. Like, that's what's probably gonna like kind of suck the most, because like that's a welded part and you have to cut it and do all this extra stuff, take out that part and all that. So yeah, it's gonna hurt my pockets, man. This build's gonna hurt my pockets, but the rebuild's gonna be worth it at the end. It's gonna be worth it at the end. I don't know how long this is gonna take either, bro. I don't know how long this build's gonna take. And you know, like, it just sucks, bro, because like it's just one of those things, like it's out of my control at this moment, you know. Like I just kind of gotta take it day by day, stay positive, and everything will fall into place. And just knowing the car's rebuildable is good. It's good news to hear. It's just not good news to hear how expensive it might be. That is the only thing. If anybody wants to sponsor this rebuild, hit me up, please. Yeah, I still can't even believe like the way everything happened. Like, it's just crazy to me, because it's just one of those situations I never thought that would have happened to me, you know, where I just knock out behind the wheel. But it did, bro, and that's just so crazy to me. And you know, thankfully, you know, like I just walked away with the scratch and all that. Nobody else was hurt, but it just sucks, you know. It just sucks seeing your car in that state, not really being able to do anything, you know. Like it's not like I make a lot of money, bro. Like I really don't. I don't make crazy amount of money. I work, I got a regular job, and you know, it's gotta take it day by day, take it one day at a time, you know. It just sucks. It just sucks. Even if you guys notice in like the video, dude, throughout the video, like it's crazy, because like I look back at it, I was talking about how excited I am to do these things to my car, and can't wait to upgrade the exhaust, and can't wait to do this, and can't wait to do that. And literally, bro, within hours, everything changed. Like everything. This is so crazy, man, you know. And it made me realize, bro, like, cherish and love the ones who are still here with you and everything like that, because bro, you just never know when shit can happen, when things can get taken away from you. Like, be grateful for whatever you have right now. It doesn't matter what it is, a bike, a car, like anything, bro, family, all that shit, bro. Like, you really don't take shit like that for granted when you're in a situation like that, you know, where, you know, some shit just goes crazy and goes left, and you know, like, it could just happen to anybody, bro. And you know, just thankfully, you know, I'm safe and nobody else got hurt, and the car can get fixed, you know. We just gotta stay positive. I gotta stay positive, you know. I'll stay on the positive note, because I ain't gonna lie to you, if this doesn't stress me out, like all this, you know, like the whole car and all that shit, and on top of it, more things and all that. Like, it's just, it's stressful, but I'm trying to stay positive. But we're working on it, man. We're working on it. We good. We're getting good news little by little, and you know, it'll all work out. So we're good. We're good. We're good. But nice F80, man. Jeez. What's the retail on one of those? Neat. So I just got sent out on an alcohol run, and for all my 21 and plus people out there, bro, these are nasty, bro. Excuse my hands dirty because I was touching the car, but these are nasty, bro. Buzz balls. I don't know how y'all, well, no, I don't want to say all y'all, but whoever drinks those, disgusting. Y'all just want to get fucked up so bad, huh? On the bright side, I still got the M340i. Like, I can still drive this to work, to car events, you know, to get more content for you guys. And yet, we're still gonna build this too. Maybe, you know, we don't know yet. Just because I gotta rebuild the Supra now, so I don't know if I want to dump money into this. Like, it's fine. Like, it's tuned and everything. It looks like a sleeper. If anybody wants to smoke, they can get it. Just let me get tires. You know what I mean? This thing already has a PQ performance sauce, so you dig. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm just trying to stay positive throughout all this, you know. Just little bumps on the road. I mean, big bumps on the road, but we'll overcome this, man. And we'll all look back at this one day and be like, damn, remember when you had your Supra all crashed up and now it's looking spiffy as F? We'll all one day come back to this video and laugh. When the Supra's all fixed, of course.